So if we want to prevent emails from being sent, we need to uncheck this. Maillog will store emails in the database so we can review them later. We'll keep this checked. And it will also display the content of an email when one is being sent out by default. And we'll leave that checked. Let's click Save Configuration and let's test this out. I'm going to go back to the contact form. I'll refresh. And I'm just going to fill this out with some dummy content. Okay, and I'll click Send Message. Now we could submit this form here. So this doesn't show us anything, but that's because this user, an anonymous user, doesn't have permission to see the email message being sent out. If we did the same thing as an administrator, I'm going to copy the URL and go to it here, and I'll just fill out the subject and message. I'll click Send Message, and here we see the content of the message being sent out. So there's some information in the header. The main part we're interested in is the body and the subject. So this is what the subject is going to look like. And the body says, "Hello Sandra, admin has sent you a message via your contact form at Magnificent." And also this message, plus the other messages, didn't end up getting sent anywhere, which is the important part. We can still review the message that got sent via the other form as an anonymous user too, if we go to the Maillog log. So this is the one we just sent, and then here's the one that was sent through the anonymous form. In this one, the body is very similar, but there's no link to the user because it's an anonymous user. Now that we have Maillog in place, we can feel a lot more confident testing out the forms without the possibility of accidentally sending out some emails.